Jai Sriman Fifth sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Pasya me Pardharupani Satasodha Sahasrasaha नानाविधानि दिव्यानि नानावर्ण आकृतीनि च ॐ This universe is filled up with hundreds, thousands, and divine, wonderful forms. Keep witnessing Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine presence in each and every form. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that this entire universe is filled up with hundreds and thousands of divine wonderful forms. I shall keep witnessing your divine presence in each and every object and entity. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye vachanam tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमु दशमस्कन्धमु 10th skandham 157th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna, Bala Krishna, he was pulling that wooden pedestal. With that, with the force of Krishna, Tarasa Utkalita Angribandhau Nishpetatuhu, those two trees, big trees, got completely unrooted. Vitapamulu virigi Mahabhiladhvani gulenu Sapalasya vivarjanamulu Yamalarjunamul. With that Paramapurusha's great amount of valor, those two trees completely, along with its trunk, leaves, branches, everything, while making big dreadful sound, those two trees got unrooted and fell down on the earth. Then immediately from those two trees, two persons, Siddha Purushas, came out. With their handsomeness, they are lighting all the sides. That handsomeness, that beautiness, that light is spreaded all over. Those two Siddha Purushas now doing namaskaram to Sri Krishna. Krishnam pranamya sirasa akhila lokanadham baddhanjali. They bowed their heads to Krishna. They put their hands together while doing namaskaram. They are praying Krishna like this. Krishna Krishna Mahayogim Tvamadhyaha Purushaha. O Krishna, O Yogeshwara, you are the root cause for everything, and you are supreme. Your glory cannot be perceived by even any great amount of intellect or mind. Such is your supremacy. Like that, those two Siddha Purushas praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 5th sloka. Pasya me Pardha Rupani Shatasodha Sahasrasaha Nana Vidhani Divyani Nana Varna Krutini Cha. Pasya me Pardha Rupani Shatasodha Sahasrasaha Nana Vidhani Divyani Nana Varna Krutini Cha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.